Have you ever listened to the word compost tea? It sounds a bit strange, like something you would serve at a very earthy dinner party. But in reality, it is one of the most powerful tools we have for organic gardening. Basically, compost tea is a liquid extract. And here is the simple science behind it. When we make the compost, then inside the compost bin, there are millions of tiny and invisible heroes' works that are called microbes. As these microbes consume composting material and break down them, some of that organic material naturally turns into a liquid, and this liquid is called compost tea. This compost tea is packed with everything that a plant needs. It is rich in micronutrients, healthy minerals, and most importantly, it is rich in beneficial bacteria that help any plant a lot to get its maximum growth. If we mix compost tea with water in a 1:10 and give it to plants, then it provides them with many benefits. If you also want to make compost tea at home, you will need to use a 2-layer compost bin. You place the composting material in the upper layer, which has small holes at the bottom. The bottom layer is completely sealed and has a tap attached to it. When you put composting material in the upper portion, the liquid released during the composting process drips through the holes and collects in the bottom bin. This liquid is the compost tea. With the help of this bin, you can make solid compost in the upper section like this and collect compost tea in the bottom section to store for your plants. I hope you liked this information today. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment. Thank you and have a nice day.